It's the Kinematics reassessment for Chapter 4. The problem is the batter hits a fly ball, rises to a height of 44 meters. An outfielder can run 7.6 meters per second. What is the farthest away he can be from the ball so he'll catch it? You have him running 7.6 meters per second, the height 44 meters, and you can take half of the circle to for this equation. So you're going to be cutting the time down into 2 so that you'll have the right angles. In your X motion, you don't have acceleration in the X direction because the ball is going up and around, and there's never any acceleration in the Y direction from ball in motion. But in the Y motion, you have acceleration due to gravity, negative gravity, because the ball's keeping it down. And your Y 0, your Y final, the highest point is 44 meters. You don't know the time, and your velocity is 0. So you don't use the X motion because you're not trying to figure out how far it's traveled or anything like that. You're just trying to see time and then like how far away he's got to be. So if you start, Y final equals your Y initial plus your velocity times delta t minus 1/2 gravity delta t squared. Well, your Y initial is 0. That's where you started. Your Y final is 44. You don't have a velocity, and your delta t, you don't have delta t either as well. So you come down here, you multiply the 2 to the other side, the negative 2 to the other side, and you divide it by g, and you're left with delta t on this side. You take the square root, and the square root of your Y final is 44 meters over 9.8 meters per second squared, which is your gravity, and that leaves you with just seconds. Well, that's going to be your delta t, but for your delta t, to find your distance, whenever you find that 2.99 seconds, you got to multiply it by 2 because you only found the time for this half of the circle. So you're going to multiply by 2 to figure out the full length of time, which is going to be 6 seconds. And then you can take how fast he runs times how long you have the ball flying to get the distance. So your change in X will be your velocity times time, which is 45.6 meters. And that is how far away he can be before he will catch the ball.